Well, good morning. It is super early. It is, what, 2:45 right now, and what does that mean?
It's early.
It's early. Yes, that does mean it's early. It is vacation time.
Yes.
We are heading down to LA here out of Seattle. We're going to spend 2 days at Universal Park before we do what?
Cruise.
We are going on a cruise. We are heading out on a 5-day cruise, Quantum of the Sea. We got 2 stops in Mexico. And we are so excited, and we hope you join us on this amazing adventure. Well, good morning. After about an hour drive, we made it to airport parking. The morning's going smooth so far. How you feeling?
Cold.
Cold. It is.
Excited for some 80-degree weather.
Yeah, it'll be nice. It's pretty freezing right here. How you doing, buddy?
Excited.
Heck yeah. How's this girl doing?
Good,
Yeah.
but a little bit cold.
We've only heard that about 400 times this morning.
It's really cold.
Well, at least it's not a lot of bit cold.
Yeah. It's better.
So, yeah. Now when you're driving at 3 a.m., traffic's pretty light. So we're here parked, and then we're heading over via shuttle to the airport, taking off about a little under 2 hours. So that ain't bad. Well, pretty uneventful shuttle ride, which is nice. The parking we have was pretty close, and so we've used them before. They're fine. And now we're making our way up the escalator here in Seattle International. Hopefully, since it's about 4 in the morning, TSA will be quick. And I have not flown Southwest in years, so hopefully it'll be a good experience. You smell that? That smells like vacation. Probably can't see on camera, but yeah, we've had like, I don't know, a week and a half of just straight rain. So I'm looking forward to warmer weather for sure. Get out of this cold. And we walked in the airport here, there's some really cool art. It's got a quote from Pearl Jam: "When you trust people you work with and you let them have the freedom, that's when the chemistry happens. That's when the real art goes down." Bunch of Pearl Jam art. I love Pearl Jam, being from the Seattle area. Some cool pieces here. Look at this guy like wrestling a alligator there. Oh, that's cool too. They got a Donkey Kong. They got this whole wall. It's got all sorts of different ones. That's pretty neat. We are going to make our way through security, and I will see you on the flip side. Wow, for the win. We made it through security in like record time. I mean, we've been traveling for years, and we went through in, I don't know, not even 15 minutes from the time they had them check all our documents to go through. Flawless. It's nice we can keep our shoes on. Kara had to take hers off, but that's because she's special and she's well loved, and so they wanted to check her shoes out. But we made it through. Now, officially, I can breathe a sigh of relief. Traveled here, parked, shuttle, security. Now it's vacation time, baby. We made it through flawlessly. That was probably the easiest. Although we
Super
didn't.
Easy.
I think we've made the mistake over years. We didn't have a lot of applesauce packets and like any sort of peanut butter this time. But yeah, we sailed right through, and it was fun. Now it's also a little bit after 4 a.m. So,
Yeah, this is the time to go to the airport. I remember that from Portland too.
Yeah, so people are fresh and not crunchy yet. Maybe wears on them throughout the day.
Mm-hmm.
But now we get to kick our heels up, and it's full vacation mode. Are you excited?
Yes.
Heck yeah! This is gonna be amazing.
We need coffee though.
We do need coffee. It is early. Okay, we got a little breakfast, even though it's super early, and it was pricey. I don't want to complain about prices, but for all of us to get like a snack and a drink, it was $60.
Yeah, well, they are glad that you can dump out all your drinks before security, and then they can make you get coffee afterwards.
But we're heading to the gate, and we'll be heading off soon. We made it down to the gate, and I gotta say, this is probably the least stressed out I've been traveling. Like, it has gone great, and just chill. I mean, and it's not crazy busy since it's 4 in the morning, but yeah, this is, if everything else can go this smooth, it's going to be amazing. Because usually I'm a little worked up getting through everything, but yeah, so far so good.
Yep. No, it was smooth sailing. Everybody's been nice. We haven't, like, even the security that can be kind of grumpy, and they always are so confusing. Like, they were super easy to deal with. Like, I'm like, what's going on?
Yeah, so we do have a slight layover in San Diego?
Sacramento.
Oh, Sacramento. We do have a layover in Sacramento on our way to Burbank. We're going to end up staying at the Safari Inn, which I might take a short there. That's where some famous movies were filmed, so it looks really cool and retro there in Burbank. And then over the next 2 days, we are going to be at Universal Studios Hollywood, and it's going to be cool checking out all the holiday stuff there. And then we're heading off on a cruise, so this is amazing. And I'm in full vacation mode right now. Okay, smooth sailing continues. We were able to board the plane and get seats. There's actually 100 free seats, they said, so we got an extra one in between, which is so nice. So I'm really happy so far. We're heading to San Diego, and then we'll have to change planes on our way to Burbank. But so far so good. There's a blue tinge on me. Okay, we have landed in Sacramento. We have a quick layover, maybe like an hour and a half, and we're heading on to Burbank. So the first flight went well, pretty uneventful. Plane was very empty, so we had plenty of room, which is nice. And then we're heading on. We had a short layover here. We're going to be heading on to Burbank soon, but wanted to give a double shout out to the man over there. It's his 16th birthday today.
Happy birthday! We get to go to Hollywood for his birthday.
We get to go Hollywood for his birthday.
That's pretty awesome.
We have officially arrived in Burbank. It's about 63 degrees right now. That's quite a change from Seattle. And now we're off to the Safari Inn. We'll show you what that looks like, but everything's going well so far. Although I am tired. Early morning. Okay, we're standing out here waiting for our shuttle bus, and we've never flown into Burbank before. Let me give you a shot of what the airport looks like from the outside. It's kind of cool. There we are. It's got kind of a cool logo in the front there. And it's not crazy busy. But it's 70 some odd degrees right now and feels great. How's it feel to be 16?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Got all the rights and privileges as a 16-year-old?
Yeah.
Nice.
What are you looking forward to the most?
Probably being able to drive. On my
Being
own.
able to drive. He's got to pass Dad's test first, though. That's a tough one. How you doing, sweetheart?
Great. Glad to be on land. My ears got jungly in the plane, which can happen sometimes, but you know how they're like all
Yeah, the pressure.
they're clogged. So I can't hear very well. Which
Yep.
It's been okay.
How's this girl? She looks like a rocker.
I'm doing good, and look. Yeah,
Nope, she's got some...
Whitey? Saddest bone.
Oh, it's magic. Alrighty, and after a short shuttle ride, we made our way to the Safari Inn down here in Burbank. And we chose this because it looked interesting, and I learned actually not too long ago that there's a couple filming locations, one of which is True Romance, was one of my favorite movies, was filmed out here. I'll show you that. And then also Apollo 13. Guess this was also, they had it digitally created in Incredibles 2, but let me show you some shots of this place. It's really cool. And here's the front. I love the retro sign. It'll be cool. I'll get a shot of that at night. And it does have a pool here. And then this is the famous driveway. And I'll try to recreate it, but right here is where Christian Slater pulls up in the Cadillac to see Alabama.
I'm so proud of you. Did I do my part okay?
Pamela, you were perfect.
Like a ninja?
Like a ninja. I'm gonna go grab us something to eat, all right?
That's awesome. Yeah, and so this is the iconic driveway where they drove into, right here at the Safari Inn. And they would have pulled up right over here, Cadillac here. But this is really cool. And aside from the footage, this used to be like a rooftop area where you could like sit on. Looks like there's oh, actually you still can. We'll have to go up there once we get our key cards. Here's the pool. And it looks like there's a umbrella and some tables up there. But yeah, it's a smallish hotel. Looks like the rooms face out. We can't quite check into the room yet. It's not ready, but they're gonna be able to hold our bags. And so we're gonna go do some exploring, but we'll give you a room tour when we actually make it into the room. Okay, we're gonna explore a little bit, but we'll give you a room tour and probably wrap up the video then. It's been several hours. We actually took a tour of LA. That'll be a separate video. But we just checked into the room. Let me give you a shot of it. We're already kind of moving in, so it's not like a big room tour because it's a small room. Let me show you. So kiddos are already zonking out. But yeah, it's nice and clean. We got 2 beds here. A little bureau, television. Got like a nice coffee stand. And then, yeah, a bathroom. Everything looks very clean, which is nice. And so, yeah, not much to it. So we're only staying here for 2 nights, so this will work just fine, and it's close to Universal. Spoiler alert, we're going to Universal for 2 days. So, I don't know if I said that earlier. It's been a long day. I've been up since 1:45 in the morning. We went all over LA when we got here, so it was fun. But thanks for joining us on this travel day. This is probably the least fun day of everything, but we made it here, we made it safe. And we're gonna do 2 days Universal, which we're gonna document, and we're also doing a 5-day cruise. So that'll be a lot of fun. It's gonna be an entire series, and so we hope you join us on our future videos. If you're not a subscriber, please do. And also smash that bell, that way you can join us on our next adventure. Thanks for watching, bye.
We get to go to Hollywood for his birthday.
We get to go Hollywood for his birthday.
That's pretty awesome.
We got him a dirty Minnie Mouse suit. He's going to wear maybe earn a little money, so that'll be fun.